Do you ever find yourself making ambitious plans the night before, only to wake up the next morning with zero motivation to start them? Trust me, I've been there. It's like Groundhog Day, where every morning starts with big plans and ends with disappointment. But fear not! I've got a step-by-step strategy that helped me break that loop. It worked magically for me, and I'm excited to share it with you. Step 1. Create the path. The first step is simple, but 1000% necessary, and you have to do it every single night. Take a sticky note and jot down the tasks you want to accomplish the next day, in the order you plan to do them. Stick this note where you can't miss it, right in front of your workspace. This visual reminder sets the tone for your day and keeps you focused on what needs to be done. And remember the rule, you won't rip it off until it's done. It is the foundation. If you miss, this is all over. But this alone won't make any difference. I know. You'll just ignore this, right? That's why we have step 2. Activating your mind and body. Now, here's my personal tip that works wonders. Wake up around the same hours every single day. For me personally, it's between 9 to 10 a.m. And kickstart your morning with a liter of water. Yeah, a whole liter. It might feel daunting at first, but trust me, your body will thank you. After getting a fresh pick of your morning coffee, ideally with no sugar or minimal, this routine jumpstarts your metabolism and primes you for your productivity. After that, sit and start checking off the first few tasks in 2 to 3 hours. And only then are you going to take your first meal. Now, you might be wondering the science behind why it works. Well, studies show that by starting your day with water and delaying breakfast, you can optimize your body's energy utilization. By the time you finish your first tasks, you'll be in a peak state of focus and motivation. Now after that, your mind will send you the signal of fullness, and also that you've done enough for today. But how do you stay productive without succumbing to distractions? Enter the Pomodoro technique. Step 3. Break your work into 25-minute intervals with 5-minute breaks in between. This method keeps you engaged and prevents burnout, making daunting tasks more manageable. Here, your dedication and a willingness to win is required. And if you don't have that, you can stop this video right away. For those who are still watching, a bonus tip. Avoid the sugar slump. Cutting down on sugar and heavy carbs can be a game changer. Trust me, I've been down that road. Excessive sugar consumption can leave you feeling sluggish and demotivated. Opt for healthier snacks and meals to keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. Step 4. Evening escape. Lastly, don't forget the importance of stepping outside in the evening. This simple action can prevent you from getting trapped in the cycle of mindless eating, binge watching shows, or playing games. Often, your mind tricks you into thinking you've done enough for the day and deserve some entertainment. It's a comfort trap that floods your brain with dopamine, making it hard to return to work afterwards. And by going outside, you'll also boost your dopamine levels and feel refreshed. So when you return home, you'll be more inclined to tackle the remaining tasks with renewed energy. And if you think it's tough to go out for you and your life is boring as hell every single day, you need to watch this video first.